Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, I will present about our project Sago Starch Separator Machine. Okay, my name is Muhammad Rashdan bin Abdul Rahim. Register number F1042. So, this is the background for the project. First is many mills processes a few pumps per day with less yield of starch. Second is most modern and traditional factories did not own sago palm plantation. And sago starch processing technologies in the largest factories in Malaysia were mostly adopted from passive processing. I will continue with the problem statement. Sago is a well-known and widely sold food in the market. Sago filtering process is very important to produce a good quality. Post-processing is very important to save time. If the machine is not made, the yield will decrease and the work process will slow down and sago production will decrease. For scope and limitation, firstly is to fill the sago as we can separate the starch. Then the motor is the main function of this project. The motor works to move the blade and active the engine. After that is the filter only used for separate sago only in their machine. Then the blade can stir the sago on the pot only. And lastly, can contain the sago with the load between 300 gram to 500 gram. For the literature review, as for me, I made a steamer pot. So the objective for the steamer pot is to design a sago filter machine to a simple way. So that a steamer pot assembly includes a pot, a steamer basket and lid basket lid, leaving a space between it and the flange of the pot to receive the lower edge of the lid. Then, to develop steamer pot on the machine to fill the sago. It means a type of metal product that is more resistant to rust, staining, and corrosion than regular steel. Stainless steel is often found in material used in construction and tool. Last but not least, to test the performance of sago filter machine, we use stainless steel as the material for the steamer pot.
Okay, hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Azhar. Okay, my matrix number F1061. Okay, I continue our project is a literature review from motto to design a sago filter machine to simple away. In an induction motor, the electric current in the rotor need to produce torque is obtained via electromagnetic induction from the rotating magnetic field of the stator winding. Okay, next to develop motor of the machine project. The simple motors you see explained in a science book are based on a piece of wire bent into a regular rectangular loop, which is suspended between the poles of a magnet. Connect to testing performance sago filter machine. DC motor were our first form of motor widely used, as they could be powered from existing direct current like lighting from distribution system. Okay, next methodology. Okay, this is our final project design. Okay, you can see. Okay, these are parts of the machine. Okay, next procedure. Okay, first the sago is boiled in a pot until it produces starch. Okay, the boiled sago is then put into the machine. Okay, the machine is switched on the starter the process. The first layer is to separate the starch from the sago. The sago is remained in the second layer of the machine after filtering process and ready to take them out.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Bishami bin Muhammad Supri. Number matrix 01 DKM ATF 1046. Okay, today I want to tell about literature review. So first, for the objective. There are three objectives for this project. To design a sago filter machine to simple way, to develop blade on the machine to steal the sago, and to testing performance Sagu filter machine. Okay, for the first literature review, this the I cut from my proposal and I just explain to the slide. So we use axial flow impeller as the material for the blade. Okay, this I found in you can see the reference. This from Hassan and Bat 2014 December 9. Axial flow pump retrieved from STDS on the left is the link for my reference. Okay, so the second in the blade is the component of the mixer that deliver the flow. The purpose is to transfer the energy driven by the motor to tank content quickly and efficiently. So the reference from the AR 2008 February 9. Simulation of flow generated by an axial flow impeller retrieved from the Science Direct. So the last one is we use axial flow impeller as the material for the blade. From the from AR Comprado, this two reference is same. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Okay, today I want to tell about our cost for this project. So the first is raw material cost. There is 5 items. You can see my steel flake plate, steel bar, steel cylinder bar, stainless steel rod, and we use MIG wire welding. So for the welding we use MIG. So the total is 400 ringgit Malaysia. For the accessory cost, we buy 2 tin spray. That is spray grey tin and black tin. Cost is 19 ringgit 64 cents. And for the component cost, the motor for our project stainless steel. For the steamer pot, motor controller, 30 AMP plug, portable gas stove, portable stove. The cost is 139.95 cents. So the overall project costing you can see 555 ringgit 59 cents. So that is the overall cost, the total overall for our project. So this is our Gantt chart for semester 5. And okay, this is our project. You can see this is the portable stove and this is the steamer pot. This is our blade, motor, and the dash. You can see. So we made the drawer easy to put this stove and steamer pot inside this. Okay, this is our video. We put the sagu into this and this is our the project. This is the project started. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Muhammad Lukimi. My metric number 01 DKM5B. Literature review. My part is filter. Objective: to design a Sagu filter machine to simple way. Mean we use stainless steel as material for this to filter in this machine. First layer filter has a hole diameter 10 mm. Second layer have 4 mm diameter hole. Second, to develop filter on the machine to stir the sagu. Means first layer of filter to separate sago from sticking to each other. Second layer of filter to filter sago from each starch. 3. To test performance sago filter machine. Means for the cleaning process after using the filter, stainless steel equipment is easy to find such as detergent, alkali, mechanical scrubbing powder, organic solvent and others. It can maintain the stainless steel from corrosion and long-term use. Analysis data. This is the data that we got from our test using this between sago stress separator machine and handmade. When using our machine, we get 15 minutes per 150 gram. While using handmade, have to wait 45 minutes per 150 gram. At one time, weight produced when using sago stress separator machine is 500 gram in a time. While using handmade, 300 gram in a time. Discussion. Why stainless steel is the best material selection in this project? Stainless steel have very good durability and heat resistance. Quality surface it is easy to clean and maintain. Stainless steel is neutral to the food item, so it will not change the color, taste, or smell of the food. 2. What is the purpose of using two filters in that machine? The purpose we use two filters in that machine because we want to make sure the filter can separate perfectly sago from the starch, so that easy to use the sago after in machine parts. 3. Why the machine use AC motor and not DC motor? We use AC motor because AC motor is cheap than DC motor, easy to find. Furthermore, the torque is not higher than DC motor, that means suitable because not destroy the texture of sago. Recommendation. In this project, we make a drawer as we can easily put this in it. We also put a holder for the pot so that it will not move when the machine starts the process. Conclusion. We hope that with the invention of the machine will help to generate income for the small business. This project will help small industry to further the exchange sago production. Sago filtration can be carried out without the use of large number of work and easy to produce. This is our reference and credit. Thank you.